This video demonstrates the three-stage cycle of working within SimVenture Evolution. It's important to take time to assess the current situation in every activity. Whilst you know that your company is manufacturing bicycles, your trading context, history, and available resources may vary significantly from activity to activity. The briefing describes the situation in a variety of formats to give you a clear sense of the starting point for the activity. It always contains an intro and overview tab, and will usually include tabs containing further information, depending on the specific activity. The history section updates as each quarter is run, and provides an extensive range of information presented in a variety of formats. This allows you to build up a detailed picture of the development of the company to its current status, and should also help you decide how you want to move the company forward. So by looking through this company's history, you can see that demand has risen steadily over the last 4 quarters, and you might conclude that production should be increased in order to meet future demand levels. Having decided on this course of action, you can access the appropriate business area to set up your decision and move on to the next stage of the decision-making cycle. Each decision has time and cost implications, which vary depending on the options you choose each time. When a decision is confirmed, you can see the associated hours and costs within the Overview tab of the relevant section. These figures are also reflected in the status bar at the bottom of the screen, which shows the hours required and those available for all the business areas within the department, as well as the totals for the company as a whole. Remember that these are planned actions, like a task list for the coming quarter, so you need to ensure that enough hours are available to cover your intended actions. Adding more activity increases the effort, and if the effort exceeds the available hours, the bars and text will change colour to alert you to this fact. You can make as many decisions as you like across the different business areas of the simulation, and on clicking the Run Quarter button, the final check screen displays to show where your time and money is being allocated in each department and across the company as a whole. Once you confirm, your decisions are processed within the simulation. The quarter runs on screen, and data is generated to reflect the company's new trading position. With the new data available, you can now evaluate the outcome of your decisions within the history section. The range of activities available within Evolution means that you can focus on different aspects of running a business. So you may be evaluating something very simple, or you could explore the simulation in much more depth. Having evaluated the situation, you'll return to the beginning of the workflow cycle to prepare your business for progress through the next quarter of the simulation.